Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip tribe. Today, looking at the zip tie connection. If you're an event florist or a wedding florist, or if you're planning to be, you know zip ties are one of your best friends. They're so wonderful. If you're spatially challenged and not so good at construction, it can be a little frustrating because you can never remember which way makes it zip and which way does it pop out. Every single zip tie works the same. They may be different colors, they may be different sizes, they may have different heads, but they all have a side that bumps out. If you turn it this way or this way, it always has an out. And if you place it so that you are going out, it will lock. The way I remember, insert, lock out. And it works on every single one. The bumps may be smaller, but that bump goes out. You insert your zip tie, lock out. It's very secure. I loved that when I finally figured it out. Out, insert, lock out.